Frustrated with the rltkapo64.dll pop-up blocking Realtek? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before starting the detailed rltkapo64 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the rltkapo64, a Realtek Audio Processing Object, APO, dessa Astari, 64-bit. It manages unmanaged real-time audio signal processing effects and facilitates the orchestration of sound enhancement manifests for Realtek hardware. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. rltkapo64 is typically part of a game's graphics stack. Install the latest Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime using the official web installer to restore legacy D3DX, X input, or X audio components. Then update your GPU drivers if the file is OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA related. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including rltkapo64. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. I strongly advise you to prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of rltkapo64. Third-party DLL sites are a primary vector for hackers to inject ransomware directly into your operating system's core. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing rltkapo64. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve rltkapo64 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.